Look at him. What a sick bastard. We got him, Ken.
Don't film me yet. Wait till they all get here.
Look at all the birds. They all come to shit on Ken's. Do it again. One more time. Come on, Ken. Hit another one, slugger.
Alright.
Throw your wang out there, Ken.
Broken bat home run.
Oh, what an ugly bastard.
There's a big guy.
Bam. Nice day. Nice day in Ocean City. Look at all the birds. Do it up. Get a mess out of the beach. My God, look at all the bread.
Yet, George, right?
Look at all the fucking bread on the, look at all the birds. Ah, they're all gonna shit on you. Oh my God. There's Ocean City. What do we have here? The FBI. Ah, Ken, the FBI. Am I on?
Yeah, is it good, George?
Hey, wait. CJ. A facial. Alright, get me off, asshole.
Well, we did it. There's the bread. All over the beach. What are you doing, George? There's the bread and there's the seagulls.
I got more in the car, man.
I don't know if they want to like move in for the kill or what. Can't tell. There's still more bread in the car. Can you set the hatch, please? It's a lovely day here.